Friend, welcome to Marine Engineering Hub. This is your narrator, Chief Engineer Ravi Gupta. Today, we are going to talk about multi-monitor alarm setting. In today's video, we will see that how the alarm setting of a purifier work and how the leakage monitor of a purifier work. Friend, those who are watching the Marine Engineering Hub video for the first time, I want to tell you, Marine Engineering is a platform which make video like this, which will be beneficial for examination, oral and examination. So please subscribe our channel and take the membership. So let's start today's video of a multi-monitor leakage alarm setting. So as you know, this is the purifier. The purifier basically, this is how it line setup look like. Now, in order to monitor the various parameters, we have multi-monitor, which give us the various data like flow rate, temperature, light liquid pressure, and what are the regulations and all that. And along with that, on top there is a LED switch which blink based on the input received from the purifier. Now this based on that, the alarm setting is been triggered in a purifier. So what is happening, whenever we are starting a purifier, there is a delay that if there is a buildup of pressure is not done within the time period of this, in that case only it will raise the alarm. So this is the pressure part, this is the time part, and this is the graph which is showing how the pressure, actual back pressure of a thing is moving, and this is the alarm trigger level, and this is the minimum pressure at the purified oil which should be minimum, that is setting value, and this is the back pressure setting value. So we have got four data. One is the actual back pressure which is varying in a real time. This is the trigger alarm level where it will trigger if the difference is more than that, and this is the minimum setting, it should not go below this, and this is the back pressure setting. Now when we are starting a purifier, the back pressure comes after a certain period of time. So at that time there is a delay. If the pressure does not come within this period of time, then alarm will be triggered. So this delay is provided to remove any unnecessary alarm. After that, it maintain a difference, pressure difference. It maintain a pressure difference of P with the alarm level. So if a pressure difference of P is maintained between the light pressure setting and the back pressure setting, then alarm will not be triggered. And whenever it dip down to a minimum setting, and if it bounce back within a period of time, it will not give a alarm. It means that because of certain fluctuation in temperature, it may happen that the light liquid purified oil temperature, purifier pressure may vary. So in that case, to avoid unreasonable alarm, it has been given a hold timer. What is a hold timer? It means that the alarm will not get triggered if the back pressure reset to back to normal value within that period of time. Now here you see again there is a drop, and it is coming near around the minimum light pressure setting, but it is getting up slowly. Here there is steep fall and steep rise, so the alarm get cancelled, but here the fall is lower and it is getting up very slowly. So the timer hold means the timer is counting, okay, there is a pressure drop, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 seconds, okay, if the thing is not getting delay more than 5 seconds, if not getting corrected, I will give the alarm. So here it get corrected within a no time, so no alarm, but here it is taking more time, means something is wrong, so it will give a alarm, that is a pressure drop due to leakage. Now same way, if the pressure is falling more and more and more, in that case again it will give a alarm. So the alarm is issued based on the pressure difference, and if it is fall for a particular period of time, in that case it will give alarm to prevent unwanted alarm. In the same way, the leakage which is monitored, this is also based on two data. One is the what is the light liquid pressure at a outlet, and one is the feed inlet pressure at the inlet. So inlet feed pressure and the light liquid outlet pressure is continuously monitored, and based on that a timer is being given, and if it is falling for below the alarm trigger level for that moment period of time, it will give a alarm of a leakage. So this is how the leakage monitor in a purifier work. Friend, if you have learned something from this video, then please do hit the like button. Thank you friend, have a good day.